Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdel from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel, where I post content about affiliate marketing, but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video, guys, we're going to talk about Instagram. As you know, Instagram is one of the biggest websites out there, one of the biggest social media websites on the planet. Gets a ton of visits every month. I think like 6 billion to 7 billion visits every month. And since a website like that gets so much traffic, obviously there's always going to be numerous ways of making money with Instagram. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. So let's explore the different ways we can go about making money on Instagram. And how we're going to do this exactly, we're going to leverage Instagram accounts with already a decent amount of followers, maybe 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 followers. And that's how we're going to make money using those Instagram accounts with already a decent amount of followers on them. Now, I know some of you will say, well, I don't have an Instagram account with 10,000 followers or 25,000 followers or 50,000 followers, and that's totally fine. But I'm going to show you exactly a way around this. And this is what we're going to talk about in this video on how we can leverage those types of Instagram accounts. So one way we're going to go about getting an Instagram account with 10,000 or 20,000 followers, if not more, is simply by creating an Instagram account from scratch. And I know this can seem like really demoralizing for a lot of people because growing an Instagram account from scratch can be very hard for a lot of people. But the way I'm going to show you how to do this will actually be a lot easier. That's just one way that we're going to talk about. And then I'm going to share with you the second way of getting your hands on an Instagram account with already 20 or 30,000 followers. But the first way is to create an Instagram account from scratch, but not any type of Instagram account, more specifically theme pages. I have talked about this in a lot of my previous videos, and maybe you've already come across this, but theme pages are basically Instagram accounts where you curate content from other people's. Obviously you give them credit every time you do that, but by creating viral content from other people's account, your account become the go-to place for viral content in a specific niche. For example, let's just say you were to create an Instagram theme pages in the cat niche, for example, right? You would curate content in the cat niche from other Instagram account, and basically your page would become the go-to page for viral content on about cats. Obviously, you should always give credit to the original poster of the images or the videos, or else you'll get copyright issues. But as long as you give credit, and in some cases you might even have to message them and ask for permission, but most of the time, as long as you give credit to the original poster, you should be fine. If you look at this account here, Cats of a Week, that's exactly what they've done. They've basically created a theme page about cats, creating content from all over Instagram, and they've grown their account to close to 1 million followers. And that's an easy way to really grow an account very, very quickly. You want to go out and find viral content and bring them, post them on your account, and that's how you can grow a theme page very, very quickly. The second way you can go about getting an Instagram account with already a huge amount of followers on that is to simply go out there and buy an Instagram account. And I know some of you will be, well, I don't really want to buy one, but if you can afford it and you can invest into it, buying an Instagram account can be a really, really good investment that you can do, because then you can buy an Instagram account with, let's say, 30,000 followers or 50,000 followers, and you can start monetizing it right the same day or the next day. It's a very good way of, start making money on Instagram as soon as possible. It does require a little bit of investment on your side. However, if you can do it, totally recommended. There are a ton of different places that you can go to buy Instagram accounts. There's this site called 2fame.com, which is very popular for selling really high quality Instagram accounts. There's also another one called FameSwap, that you can come and buy some good Instagram accounts on there. They sell more than just Instagram accounts. They also sell YouTube channels and TikTok pages and all that. However, if I only had to recommend you one website to buy your Instagram account from, most probably would be that one here, 2fame.com. So let's say you've managed to get your hands on an Instagram account with a decent amount of following, right? 20,000, 30,000, whatever. Okay, maybe you've grown that account from scratch through theme pages, or maybe you've bought one. Okay, so how do you go about monetizing your Instagram page? One way to do this is to do what we call affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. So if somebody's selling, let's say, an $80 product and he's offering a 50% commission on every sale, then you as an affiliate would make $40 per sale. Affiliate marketing has been around for a really long time, and it's one of the easiest ways of making money online, and also one of the most trusted ways as well. For example, let's say you've grown a theme page in the dog niche, or maybe you've bought an Instagram account in the dog niche, like similar to this one, right? If you check this page here, Dog Lovers, this is a theme page in the dog niche. So let's say you've got your hands on a page similar to this and you got like 20,000 followers, 30, 40,000 followers. Well, how you could monetize this is you could basically have an affiliate link here, maybe promoting a dog course, a dog training course, because you need to understand that people who would follow your page about dogs are people who are very passionate about dogs, people who love dogs, people who most probably own dogs. So if you have something in your link that will provide value to them, and since this is targeted traffic, you are very likely to make a lot of sales. So one thing you could promote, let's say you have a theme page about dogs, one thing that you could promote would be, like, for example, a dog training course. And you could go to a website like clickbank.com, which is a very popular affiliate site that a lot of affiliate marketers go to find products that they can promote. So for example, let's say I was to type dogs in the find products search bar, you would see that there would be a ton of different products that would be shown to me. One product that I know sell very well is this product here, brain training for dogs, and you would earn about $31 per sale. This product has been on ClickBank for a really long time, and it's been proven to sell. It's been proven to have a high sales rate. And this is, for example, a product that you could promote if you had like a dog theme page. You would simply click on the promote button here, get your link, and then put it on your Instagram bio. And I guarantee you that if you have like 30 or 40,000 followers, you would start getting a lot of clicks to that particular affiliate link. The second way to monetize your Instagram account is to do what we call shout outs. I'm sure you must have heard about it. It's when you promote somebody else's Instagram account, for example. And basically, if you have like, as soon as you have, say, 10,000 followers, you can start offering shout outs. People will come to you and ask you how much you're charging for maybe a 24-hour shout out, or maybe a 6-hour shout out, or something like that. Basically, people will simply message you and ask for those rates. Or one thing you can do, you can simply in the bio you could write, for example, DM for shout out. Like for example, if you check this page here, it says DM for shout outs. So anyone who wants to have a shout out on his page would simply DM the person that owns that page. Another way you could get shout outs is you could create a gig on Fiverr and basically advertise Instagram shout out on here. For example, you can see there are people with different amount of followers on their page, and they are charging anywhere between $10, $15, $20, $30 for shout outs. For example, if you see this gig here with 36,000 gaming page followers, they're charging like $10 per shout out. There are some pages that have a lot more followers. As I've said, as soon as you've got 10,000 followers, you can start selling shout outs. You will see people will charge anywhere between $10 to $30, $40, $50, if not more, depending on the amount of followers that they have. Here's another one here with 30,000 followers, and they're charging $20 per shout out. So it's really up to you how much you want to charge based on your amount of followers that you would have. So shout out, this is the second way of making money on Instagram. And the third and final way that you can make money off of Instagram is to simply sell your Instagram account. A lot of people make a lot of money doing this. They call it flipping Instagram accounts, where they will either grow an account from scratch or from maybe a few thousand followers and then sell it, or they will buy and sell. For example, I came across this article a while ago about this 23-year-old guy who made more than $100,000 buying and selling Instagram account. It's a really great article that you can read on MarketWatch. And basically this guy flipped more than 1,000 pages, and he's not the only one doing this. A lot of people make money flipping Instagram account. It's a very cool business that you can do. Whether it's really within Instagram terms and conditions, I'm not sure, but there are a lot of people doing this, and this is something that you can look into if you want to make money with Instagram account this way, right? So to recap everything, guys, have an Instagram account with a few thousand followers, maybe start one from scratch, grow a theme page because those kind of pages are very easy to grow, or simply buy an Instagram account. Once you have an Instagram account with a decent amount of followers, to monetize it, you can either do affiliate marketing, you can sell shout outs, or you can simply flip the account itself simply by selling it to somebody else for a profit. That's it, guys. Thanks again for watching. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.